Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL RT8 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the apps, so basically they should be on the third position from the top. Now let's scroll down and tap on Special App Access and scroll down again to tap on Install Unknown Apps. As you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. However, beware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can also remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on it, on the app, and tap on the switcher again. And from now on, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.